kind of knew it was only going to last 5 minutes, eh?
Oh, 100%. As soon as we moved that, they were fucking...
Yeah. Definitely starting to get colder around here at the moment. It's about this time of year my lips start cracking up. Much better. Today I'm pretty keen. Today I'm doing a photo shoot out in Brisbane. Public holiday here in Queensland today, so I thought why not take advantage of that, get out somewhere that's usually crowded. Actually, nowhere's really crowded at the moment, but anyway. What better opportunity to get out into the city and do some cool photos. What I'm keen about today though is this photo shoot is for absolutely nothing apart from having some fun, getting creative and just trying some new stuff. So it's been a while since I've done a shoot exactly like this where there's literally been no other motive apart from just to get really creative. So pretty keen for it. Got a friend coming here in a sec. He's a DJ and his thing is like full on red. So I guess the theme of the shoot is red, I guess, but we're just gonna go out into the city and see what we can get. Time to pack up the bag. Already got the 14 to 24 in there. 70 to 200 in the bag and 24 to 70. Macro lens is there. Not sure if that'll get used today, but hey, you never know. Couple of flashes, flash triggers, chapstick, ice light, tripod. I think we are pretty well good to go. I want to find just a couple of random items that might make for a cool photo. Well, the theme is red and there's some red ribbon here, so I might be able to use that. Duct tape. Don't know if we can do anything with this, but we'll see how we go anyway. A red packet of cards and some red little dice. Sticky tape. Sticky tape always comes in handy. Now, whether we actually use all these other little bits and pieces, I don't know. It's just handy to have random little things just in case you want to add to a photo, so I think we're good to go. Here he is, the red machine. Come on. This is Highup, everyone. His name's actually Mitch, I think. We all call him Highup. Do you prefer Highup or Mitch?
Mitch, Highup, whatever.
This is Mitch Highup.
Mitch Highup.
What's happening? You guys might recognize all the red. You're wondering where you've seen it? He's the guy that's been DJing all our parties. Aren't you supposed to be like touring around the world or something at the moment?
Yeah, I was supposed to have shows and stuff, but they got cancelled. I don't know, can we go anywhere until 2021 or what?
On the bright note, you get to come into Brisbane and do a photo shoot with me.
Yeah, I know. That's what it's come to.
Yeah, even the watch. Look at this. Where'd you come up with the whole red? Look, how did that come up?
I've got shit for ages for just having red shoes and red jeans, and then all my mates just kept talking to me and giving me shit. So I was like...
So it was more of a fuck you kind of thing, yeah?
I did, yeah, kind of. But then I did a photo shoot, right, with a whole lot of like different clothes and stuff, and then I was like, fuck, I'm not doing the same thing over again, going and buying $500 worth of clothes, do that, and I was just like, I'll just go all red.
I actually like it. I might start rocking red everywhere. Do you actually have any other colour clothes, or you just rock this everywhere?
Mate, we need to do a video of my walk-in wardrobe.
It's just red.
It seriously is though.
That's so good. Coming to this little spot where this street, it's sort of looking right in towards the Story Bridge and looking straight at that. Cars can't come up here and get out there, so unless they take a wrong turn, we should be able to stand on this road quite freely. Hoodie's coming off. It's a bit hotter than it started this morning.
Still recording that.
This camera's seen enough dicks, man. Don't worry about it.
That's what I'm saying.
Now we've spotted this other little car park section right inside where we just were. I'm also looking at this fence, thinking with some of that ribbon I got, maybe we can get a cool effect of it shooting through. Oh, that's a straight up Insta. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway. On to the second spot now. Look at this, got a nice cool bit of light coming through there. How's this spot for a location? This is a resort right here, so there's usually people packing the place, but got it all to ourselves right now. So we just had security come saying that we can't shoot in right next to there, but it's probably more the fact that we moved the barricade. It was good about it though, just we can't really move those barricades. Move on? I kind of knew it was only going to last 5 minutes, eh?
Oh, 100%. As soon as we moved that, they were fucking me.
Yeah. Not going to complain. That was 5 minutes more than nothing, so anything is good. We've got the changing coloured lights. And then the man in red. That's it. Shoot's done.
Definitely done.
He's done. He's ready for food.
I'm ready for food. Food, Netflix, and...
I'm glad you can go home and watch Netflix. I'll be going home to edit for the next 6 hours. Should we get beers? We'd be able to shoot for another 4 hours if we get beers.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we should have got beers. Damn.
It's still not... Oh, wait, it's a public holiday. We can't get beers from anywhere.
Oh, yeah, we can't.
Probably got out here just after 2. It's now, I'm guessing, 6 o'clock because...
Yeah,
sun is down.
5 to 6.
5 to 6. Really cool to see the city so empty though. It was just hours for the taking. Moment of truth. We parked in the car park in the city, which is usually super expensive of a weekday. We're presuming being a public holiday, it's going to be cheap. But moment of truth. Any more than $8?
$20. That's good. That's fine.
That's all right. Declines. Hey,
oh. Decline.
I'm running out of battery on here. It's starting to flash at me, so I'm gonna wrap this thing up. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out this guy on Instagram.
Highup Official.
Highup Official.
Check me out.
Not Mitch Official. Highup Official.
Highup Official.
See you guys next time. Peace.